Hi. Welcome to everyone. Do you want to remove parts of your photos that you don't like? So here you can make your photo look professional with the help of artificial intelligence. Open Google web page, type Magic Studio. This first scene Magic Studio is the website. Open it. Here you upload the photo you want to edit. I have uploaded a photo and I want to remove the parrot from this photo. Here, you can zoom the image by clicking on the zoom button below. You can set the size of the brush by clicking on the brush button on the lower left side, and then you can paint with the help of this brush. Then you can remove the objects that you don't want from it. Amazing. Now, my image is ready. Just click download button. Then select save as image. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it so others can benefit from it. Thank you.